In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a professional website using SiteGround, WordPress, and the #1 drag and drop website builder, Elementor. You don't need any coding, design experience, or technical skills. I'll walk you through everything from getting your domain and hosting to building and customizing your site from scratch. Plus, I'll show you how to get a SiteGround discount of up to 83% off, along with a free domain name using the link in the description. To get started building your website with SiteGround, click the link in the description below. That link will take you directly to SiteGround, where you can get up to 83% off web hosting plus a free domain name. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best SiteGround discount available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the SiteGround hosting plans page. From here, click the Start Now button. You'll then see 3 hosting plans to choose from: Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek. You'll see that you can save up to 83% off depending on the plan you choose. All 3 SiteGround plans come with a free domain name, free email accounts, daily backups with restore options, a free SSL certificate, free CDN, enhanced security, a 30-day money-back guarantee, managed WordPress, built-in caching, unlimited databases, and more. Now let's quickly go over the differences between the plans. The startup plan is a great option if you're building just one website. It includes 10 gigabytes of web space and is designed for up to 10,000 monthly visits. The GrowBig plan is ideal if you plan to have multiple websites. It includes unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, and supports up to 100,000 monthly visits. You also get extra features like on-demand backups, 30% faster PHP, and site staging. The GoGeek plan is the most powerful option. It includes unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes of web space, and supports up to 400,000 monthly visits. You also get advanced features like staging with Git, white label clients, free private DNS, the highest tier of resources, and priority support. Select the plan you want by clicking the Get Plan button. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Startup plan. Next, you'll be taken to the domain page. If you want to register a new domain, type it into the search box. You'll see that it's free with your hosting plan. You can also click on the domain extension to choose something other than .com if you'd like. If you already own a domain name, simply select the existing domain option and enter it here. Once you've chosen your domain, click Continue. You'll then see a confirmation that your domain is available for free. From here, enter your account information, followed by your client and payment details. Under Purchase Information, you can choose your hosting term. You get the best discount up to 83% off with the 12-month option. You can also use the pencil icons to change your hosting plan or select a different data center location. Next, you'll see optional extra services. Your free domain will already be included. If you register a domain, I highly recommend Domain Privacy, which protects your personal information from being publicly visible and helps prevent spam calls and emails. The next option is Site Scanner, which monitors your site daily and alerts you if malicious code is detected. You'll also see Premium Backup, which gives you hourly backups and additional restore options. There's also Email Marketing, which you can use to collect leads and turn them into customers. Once you're ready, scroll down to the Order Summary, agree to the terms and conditions, optionally opt in for updates, and click Pay Now. After checkout, SiteGround will email you your receipt along with your login details so you can start building your website. Alright, I'm inside the SiteGround dashboard on the homepage. Before we start building the WordPress site, let me quickly show you around so you know where everything is. First, go to Websites, find your site and click Manage. This takes you to the Website Details page. You can also access this anytime from the top menu under Websites. From here, you'll see a button that says WordPress Admin. Clicking that will take you straight into your WordPress dashboard. And if you click the 3 dots, you'll get extra options for your site. Next, let's look at Site Tools. Click Site Tools, and this is where you manage most of your hosting settings. If you ever want to return to the main dashboard, click Go to My Account. On the left menu, here are the main areas you'll use. Security, Backups, where you can create backups and restore your site if needed. Speed, Caching, where you can manage caching for better performance. Speed, CDN, where you can enable SiteGround's free CDN. I recommend turning this on for faster load times. This helps your site load faster for visitors in different locations. Email, Accounts, where you can create email addresses using your domain name. Now that you've seen the basics, let's create our WordPress site. Go back to Websites and click WordPress Admin. You may see the SiteGround WordPress Starter Wizard. It's a quick setup tool, but I'm going to guide you step by step manually, so I'll click Exit Wizard to go straight to the WordPress dashboard. You'll now be inside the WordPress dashboard. To choose a theme for your website, look at the menu on the left. Hover over Appearance, then click Themes. This is where you can browse and install themes for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. This is where you'll see thousands of free WordPress themes you can choose from. Instead of starting from scratch, I'm going to show you how to use professionally designed templates that you can fully customize using drag and drop. In the search bar, type Astra. Click Install, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. Next, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search field, type Starter Templates. Click Install, then Activate. Now, hover over Appearance in the side menu and click Starter Templates. You'll be asked how you want to build your website. I'll choose Classic Starter Templates, then click Build with Templates. Select Elementor as the page builder. If you see a different builder selected, just click the drop-down and choose Elementor. You'll now see a library of professionally designed websites that you can build using drag and drop. You can search by website type, browse categories, or click on any template to preview what it looks like. To go back to the templates page, just click the X button. One important thing to know, any template can be used for any type of website. Don't worry about the category name, you can fully edit everything later with Elementor. Just choose a design you like and then customize it to make it your own. Go ahead and select the template you want to use. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Outdoor Adventure template. You can upload a logo here if you have one. If not, no worries. We'll cover that later in the video. You can also choose your site's fonts and colors here. Don't worry too much about this, everything can be changed later. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, feel free to choose anything you want. I'm going to click Skip. You'll then see a short questionnaire. This is optional. Just make sure everything under Advanced Options is selected. Then click Submit and Build My Website. WordPress will now build your site. Once it's finished, click View Your Website. This is what your website looks like right out of the box. To make edits, click Edit with Elementor at the top. This opens the drag and drop editor. You can click any text and type directly to change it. Under the Style tab, you can adjust fonts, sizes, and colors. If you want to change a background image, right-click the section. Click Edit Container, then go to Style. Background, you can upload a new image, choose one from the media library, or remove it entirely. Under Background Overlay, you can add a color overlay and adjust the opacity for better readability. To edit a button, click it. You can change the text and a link, open it in a new tab, or set it to No Follow. Under Style, you can customize colors, borders, and hover effects. To move things around, simply drag them. To duplicate or delete something, right-click it. Use the plus icon to add new sections or elements. Flexbox Layouts gives you the most control. At the bottom of the page, click the Starter Templates icon. Then go to Blocks. You can import pre-designed sections and customize them just like everything else. To change the section's background color, right-click it. Choose Edit Section, go to Style, and pick your color. When you're ready, click Publish to save your changes. Use the arrow next to Publish to save drafts or templates. You can preview your site and switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks good on all devices. Under Site Settings, you can control global fonts, colors, and buttons for your entire website. Elementor automatically saves revisions. Under History, Revisions, you can roll back to previous versions at any time. Exit Elementor to return to WordPress. From here, you can add pages, upload media, create blog posts, manage comments, and install plugins. Almost any feature you want, forms, galleries, pop-ups, SEO can be added with plugins. To edit your menu, go to Appearance, Menus. You can add pages, reorder items, rename links, or create drop-down menus. For the header and footer, go to Appearance, Customize. Click directly into any section to edit it. You can change your logo, menu layout, colors, footer columns, and more, all visually. To edit the contact form, go to WP Forms, open the form, and customize fields, notifications, confirmations, and spam protection. To add a map, drag the Google Maps widget into the page, enter your address, adjust zoom and height, and connect your Google Maps API key so it displays properly. Under Customize, Global, you can control typography, colors, and button styles site-wide. This ensures your entire site stays consistent as you grow. And that's it. You now know how to build a complete website using SiteGround, WordPress, and Elementor. If you haven't already, make sure to use the SiteGround link in the description to get up to 83% off web hosting, plus a free domain name. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress and website tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.